Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be building and detailing a gunpla kit for the absolute beginner. First of all, I want a huge apologies for the lack of content in this video. I filmed on my phone and I messed up a lot of the footage, but anyway, let's get talking about it. So gunpla kits, they go together just by clipping the parts in. You don't glue the parts. They just literally fit into each of the connecting component. So I built the kit, took me about an hour, very simple to do using the instruction manual provided. And there I was showing you a sticker guide. Now the stickers are really tiny on these 1/144 scale gunpla kits, and what I do is I use a Swan & Morton hobby blade. Be very careful guys, as these are razor sharp, but it enables me to pick up the stickers and place them on the kit really easy. Here I'm showing you some Gundam markers that I bought. I got them for about £15 in the UK, and they're really good at detailing. What you do is I'm using the orange for all the yellow parts of the miniature here, and I'm just rubbing off if I make any mistakes. And every time I see a recessed panel, I'm just hitting it with that Gundam marker, which is going to make those details really pop out and come alive on the gunpla kit. It's important to note guys that the kit that I just showed you a moment ago comes with an eraser pen, so if you make any mistakes, as I'm showing you here, you can just quickly wipe away any of the excess of the marker. Here I'm using a grey marker pen on all the white panels, and it's really important to note that I'm using grey and not black. If you use a black pen on white panels, it'll just be a bit too overbearing and just won't seem realistic. So nice. I'm just using grey on all of the white panels here. And again, if I've got any sort of mistakes that I don't want, I'm just hitting them with the eraser pen as well. You can also just literally touch the panels with the pen, and the capillary action of the ink working in unison with the panel line will just draw all along the panel lines as well there. But this is very simplistic to do guys. Anyone can build a HG gunpla kit, and anyone can detail it using Gundam markers, and that's what I'm aiming for in this video. I want to show you the basics of getting a kit looking really nice but in a very simplistic manner. Again, I'm just going over any area where I see excess marker pen. It's really quick detailing a kit as well guys, I have to add. You're literally going to probably take about 20 minutes to detail a HG kit with a Gundam marker pens there. It doesn't take too long at all, and it's really fun to do as well. Sorry for the background noise, one of my pugs, Nala's, decided to have a drink. And here you can see what a detailed leg looks like next to an undetailed leg. It definitely looks better. And here you can see the gunpla kit after all of the detail and stickers have been applied. It definitely adds a lot to the gunpla kit. The only thing that I've left to do is to matte varnish the kit, which I'll use Vallejo Mecha Colours matte varnish to dull down that high plastic sheen and really make the kit look a lot better. Well, I hope you've liked this very quick video, and I'll catch